Hello, today is Friday, April 26, 2024. I'm Jason Shapiro with Crowded Market Report. Today's markets were not really that interesting. We had blowout earnings from some of the biggest names in tech, and the stock market went up. Bonds went up today. Don't really know why. I guess the number that came out was on target, and people were super worried about the fact that it was going to be more inflationary. So therefore, they covered some shorts, would be my guess. The main thing for me, as I have talked about, is the dollar and the currencies. And the reason for that is those are, in fact, where the most crowded things are. And they're starting to move the other way. The dollar actually was down this week, despite the fact that interest rates were up, which should theoretically be bullish dollar, and it wasn't. And despite the fact that the yen continues to get crushed, right? And if you look, I mean, this is the Aussie, right? Aussie up on the week. Pound up on the week. Canadian up on the week, right? Euro up on the week. Swiss franc's the dog. Nowhere, okay? And the big dog, of course, is yen. Yen has gotten crushed. And it's funny because all we hear about is how the Japanese are going to come in and intervene on the yen. I can tell you I've been trading for a long time. I've seen currency interventions before. Not once in my life have I seen anybody predict the currency intervention before it happened. Not once, okay? And now everybody's predicting this currency intervention. And I just want to see these people that are predicting the currency intervention, if they could show me where they predicted a currency intervention and got it right, please show me, because I've never seen that. And on this one, everyone's predicting it. And so because they're predicting it, they're trying to front run it. And then when it doesn't happen, like last night, they get crushed and the yen goes down again. But despite the fact that the yen is a big part of the dollar index, okay, and the yen has gone straight down, which should be bullish dollar index, the dollar index actually didn't go up this week, all right, because all these other currencies are starting to go up. So this really interests me, mostly because this is where my positions are, and the reason this is where my positions are is because it's where it's super crowded, and that's starting to work. And where it could work bigger is, God forbid, these things keep going up. All of these shorts over here will have to get stopped, right? And that's where I make money in my trades, is when these big shorts start getting stopped, right? Boom, 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 boom. Stop, 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 stop. There's no one really to sell it to them because they're all short already. And that's where we get a nice big trade. Hope it works. So far this week it is. Let's see how it goes next week, all right? So those are my thoughts for today. As always, question, comments, welcome. Please like the video if you in fact like it. Thank you, and I hope everybody had a good week, and I hope you have an enjoyable weekend.